for you to subscribe and hit like. It does help my channel grow when you like and subscribe, so please do it. I would really appreciate it so I can keep making videos that you enjoy, and it just helps my channel grow. So today is a bonus round. I am in the Bronx, which is the borough that I live in out of the 5 in New York City, and we're going to Arthur Avenue, the last frontier when it comes to the Little Italies. They say it's the most authentic and the most untouched, if you will. And I personally love the one in the city and this one. I think they both have aspects about them that are really cool, but I'm gonna take you and we're gonna check it out. Probably we'll have a cannoli because you can't not have a cannoli. And I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite places on Arthur Avenue in the Bronx. So, let's go. Let's check it out. The easiest way I would say to get here is either a train and bus combo, but you can also come by Uber, and you can also take a taxi. Those will obviously cost more, and if you get stuck in traffic, which right now there's no traffic, but traffic can really suck because it's deeper in the Bronx. It's near the Bronx Zoo, actually. Hold on, let me cross the street. But yeah, there's train and bus that you can take, or you can bike up if that's your thing. But it's pretty quick, and I would say that that's the most efficient way of getting here. There's a couple train rides too, so you really have your options in terms of which side of the city you're coming from, whether it's the east or the west. You really can do either. I took the 5, and then I switched to the M36 bus, but I've also taken the, I forget what line it is. It's something on the red, and you go to Fordham University. And then that one is fast, but you do have to walk a little bit more. So anyway, we're almost there, and yay, I'm excited. I haven't been here for a while. And I'm gonna start at Prince Coffee House. It's not Italian. It is actually a Middle Eastern coffee shop, house, place, but it's really, really good. It's a spot to get a little caffeine fuel, although I probably will get an espresso. I don't know, it's just a cute shop. I recommend you going there. I kind of now go every time. It's like some weird tradition for me to stop there. I just really like the shop. But if you're here, go there. But if not, go straight for the espresso. He's coming. Andiamo. Tino's. They have great sandwiches, and they have prepared foods that I really, really enjoy. They're either good for an easy night at home, so you don't have to cook, just grab what you want, take it home and enjoy it for dinner, or if you're going to somebody's house, they really make an excellent item to bring over. A little taste of Italy, and like I said, the sandwiches are really good. So let's go. Check them out for antipasto and sandwiches, and then we're gonna go down the street to this really cool, cute little bakery called Addeo. I don't know if you see it, but it's on the corner of 186. They also have really good breads and a selection of daily baked offerings that are really cute and quaint. And it's a, I think, pretty old place. Oh no, are they open? Yeah, they are open. Okay, cool. See, look. Yum. You really will be surprised by how much they fit in this tiny little shop. Tons of cheese, great selection. Let's check it out. The market, which has a few vendors in it, and also a sandwich counter and a coffee shop and an ice cream shop, hand-rolled cigars, You name it, they have it. So check it out. I'm gonna go inside, and that's my third of my favorite places. There's a few more, and I plan on doing a longer video, maybe, I don't know, at some point soon. But those are three of my favorites for a quick afternoon in Arthur Avenue. In or on? I think it's on an avenue. Anyway, I have to head back to the house because I have a 6 p.m. workout scheduled, but I'll see you on the other side. All right, well, I'm heading to the bus to head home. I got about 50 minutes to get to my class, and nothing. If you're interested, I definitely recommend coming up here and checking it out, especially now with all the outdoor seating. It's a really fun experience and highly recommended. So give it a shot. All right, peace out.